You've got big dreams, and you need the credit to match. If you want power, respect, and to make the financial world take notice, then you need the Money Magnified Playbook. This playbook is raw, unfiltered, no nonsense, and pure hustle. Just the fast track you need to your financial future. When you dive into our playbook, we'll show you how to dominate the credit game and make every financial move count. So what's our secret to dominating the credit game? It's a comprehensive strategy that plays both sides of the coin. Heads or tails, you win. The side that most people are familiar with is personal credit. And in case you haven't mastered that yet, our playbook includes all the secrets you need. But business credit, that's the unsung hero of the financial world. It's the secret weapon of the big players. And with our playbook, you're about to join their ranks. Don't have a business yet? Start one and discover how to mine the gold field, leverage it to the max, and watch your business soar to heights you never imagined. Think of it as a tag team match. When your personal credit can't win, it tags in your business credit, and together they pack a punch that can't be ignored. Learn the moves, master the strategy, and make the financial world your playground. This playbook keeps it real and unfiltered. It helps you face the good, the bad, and the ugly. Made mistakes? No problem. We've got the hacks to turn things around fast. Never went to school for finances? No worries. We give you the insider secrets. Other services like this, with this type of wealth of information, can cost upwards of $3,000. Not ours. Okay, enough talk. If you're ready to change the game and win, click below and get your playbook today.